equation is very similar to the EMATH simultaneous equation. However, in your EMATH, you learn about straight line, intersect with straight line, and this is the point that you need to find. AMATH, don't use straight line. They use one straight line intersect with a curve. Equation, one is straight line equation, one is curve equation. They won't give you two curve equations. Sometimes it's in one intersection at one point, sometimes it's this. So it's slightly complicated. It always comes with square. When you are given the equation, you have to decide how you are going to do your simultaneous equation in a simpler way, not so complicated, so that you won't make so much mistakes. The square you decide is very important. Okay, what to replace. First question in your paper, the y squared plus 2x plus 3 squared equals to 10 and 2x plus y equals to 1. Are you able to identify which one is your straight line? Which one is the curve? The one with the x power 1. This one is a straight line. You see any square? It's a curve. Which one do you decide to replace? Let's decide first. Do you decide to replace the x or the y? I will not choose x because it's bracket square. As long as a bracket, it's slightly complicated. So if you replace the x with another bracket, isn't it more complicated? I will suggest you to choose the y. Again, what you have learned, so you name this as the first equation, isn't it? Second equation. Then, which one you're going to change? You're going to change this one. Make what the subject? Y. So this is the third equation. We just start equation 3 into 1. So 1 minus 2x bracket square. I'm replacing the y with this one. Plus 2x plus 3 bracket square. Copy the rest down, equals to 10. Next, I'm going to simplify this whole thing. Apply what you learned in EMATH, expansion of this square. I'm doing this method. If you remember, a minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And this one, a plus b bracket squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. I'm using this. So in the end, this one will become, then this one will become, it's a plus sign, so not so worried. If this is negative sign, you still keep the bracket better. It's a positive sign, so don't worry, just copy down. 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 equals to 10. Then you simplify the whole thing. Do you remember how to solve? Solving needs to do factorization. Okay, so if you factorize this part, I'm taking out the common factor of 8 and x. I'm left with another x and a 1. We still have to carry on writing, finding the y. Which one do we use? This one, because we position nicely already, y is a subject. So we're going to use this to find your y. So what happens when x is 0? So therefore finalize your answer. Okay, EMATH is like that. A lot of working and so on so on. We like to, in the end, conclude your final answer. The next question, when do you see simultaneous equation when it can be coordinates in a graph? Okay, they are looking for coordinates where the intersection is, or it is also under simultaneous equation. The straight line equation is x plus y equals to 4. Okay? Second equation given is y equals to x squared minus 2x plus 2. a problem sum. So it states that a rectangular car license plate has an area of 600 cm squared. The question says perimeter is 4 cm more than the 10 times of its height. Find the dimension of its license plate. Let at h be the height. So if there's a height, there's a width. So let w be the width. Area of the rectangle.